Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch R-20B soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working right for some reason, like it's not connecting to your device, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or it keeps disconnecting. Any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history, all the settings off of it, so that you can set it up basically like it's a brand new device coming out of the box. It's quite easy to do. So on this device, what we want to do is turn it off and just unplug it from all the cables so there's nothing connected to it. Once that happens, we can go ahead and reconnect just the power cable and turn it on so that we have the solid red LED light on it. And then we're just going to come in and press and hold the mute and the volume down buttons simultaneously for several seconds until that red light blinks blinks red several times. That will indicate that the reset is complete, at which point you can turn it off, unplug it again. Then you can plug all your cables back in, turn it back on, and set it up basically like a new soundbar.